The Jordan MVP 92 returns with a clean and timeless twist, unveiling a white/pure platinum colorway inspired by the iconic Pure Money Air Jordan releases from the 2000s. Blending heritage and modern styling, this Air Jordan 7-inspired silhouette delivers a matte gray contrast instead of the usual glossy finish, giving the sneaker a subtle yet premium feel. This new design leans into a colorless aesthetic, making it a versatile option for year-round wear and a strong pick for Jordan fans seeking a fresh but familiar vibe. Since its debut, the MVP 92 has quietly built a strong lineup of color schemes, and this upcoming pair continues the trend by honoring classic Jordan DNA. While Nike has yet to confirm the exact release date, early reports point to a possible drop by March 2026 via Nike.com/Jordan. As we wait for final details, viewers can enjoy the official photos showcasing this clean and modern take on Jordan heritage.